What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? It's your boy. Let's trade the freedom. Right, let me start from daily time frame. Right, on the daily time frame we're gonna see what we have here. Right, we have a double bottom here. In fact, you see this area. You can see this area. This area is called. Right, we have 1, 2, and 3. Right, right. You can see we have 3. So the here it's support, right? Support. So let me put another one here where my TP is. It's resistance, right? If you one, then you expect another one here. So let me remove them. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. Right, you can also see we have our market here clean. You see, let me remove some of the thing so you can see it properly. Right. So it went up, right? Then it retests. Then going up, then it came back again for the retest. Retest this one. So now it's going up, right? And then we go to 4-hour. Right, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the retest is clean. You see, the retest is clean. The retest is clean. And then let's go to 1 hour. Nothing much to be added on the 1-hour time frame. Nothing much to be added on the 1-hour time frame. We just do this. Right, we just do this. We just do this. Alright, you see. And then here it also retest. That's where I took my buys. You see, the market was moving highs and lows, right until here. It created another leg of double bottom. Then it went up. It retest here. Let me put some. It retest and created up head and shoulder. See the head and shoulder. The head, the left shoulder, the right shoulder. The head went up. Then it came again for the right shoulder, for the retest. Then now it's going up. So now I'm expecting to hit the TP, but this is the first TP, the second TP, but I'm always go with the first TP. First TP, the second TP, sometimes it won't go there. Right. This is what we have on Euro. JPY. Let me hold and see. Alright, you can see this is the account that I'm trading. Now we're on 400. Let's wait and see. If you play nicely. Let me show you last week. Nothing much to be. Which the account was on 100 rand. But anyway, this is the account that I'm holding now. I'm on 600. We'll show you the next trade. Signing out.
We're enjoying ourselves here.
Accompagné, pas vrai. Où est ton papa? Dis-moi où est ton papa?
Now we are on 700. You're on 700 profit. You're on 700 profit. 700 profit. The TP is almost hit. The TP. Check the entry. Check the entry. Check the entry. Check the entry. Signing out.